Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're working on this RAM. This is 1500, but if you have 3500, I believe you have to go through the cluster. You have to take the cluster out, and there's gonna be two plugs in there you have to take out, and then you plug in this tool about, I don't know, around 20 or so dollars or $18 online. It bypasses the security and you can plug it into the computer. That's for 25 or 3500. For 1500, it's underneath here. It's easier to get to. I'll show where it's at. Right underneath here. And it's these two right here. You unplug these two right there and plug in this. And then you can plug it into your computer. I don't have to do it to mine, but this is what the plugs look like. One is smaller, one is a little bit bigger. And this goes to your computer. Instead of plugging into OBD2 here, to this one. But if you do it through here, those two plugs, it's right in here. Let me zoom in. These two plugs, all I have to do is just, I think they come off from this side. Just unplug them and plug them to this thing, into your computer, and that should work. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.